Greetings from Maze People team. Today we are going to learn how to install Bahon theme. Bahon is basically a WordPress theme specially crafted for bus booking website. After installing the theme, you will get a front look just like this. This is the demo of your Bahon theme. You can buy tickets from here to select from where you're going to start and where you're going to end, and select your date, and if you want you can add your return date also, and simply click search. You will get your details for the bus. So this is the search result where you can see so many buses here with the available time. From there you can select the tickets. Okay, now let's move to another home page. This is another home page design where you can see many informations related to your bus booking website. And you can see there is a slide for your bus details. So this is how our Bahon theme is all about. Now let's move on to how to install the theme. For before installing, we need to purchase the theme from Maze People website. As you can see, this is the pricing plan. So I'm gonna purchase the single for a lifetime. So click choose plan and now give all your details. Then simply click purchase. Okay, wait a few seconds. All right. So this is your final payment details. If everything looks okay, click continue. So after purchasing the theme, so simply go to your dashboard and click Appearance tab, select Themes. Now click Add Theme. Okay. Now upload the zip file you just got from your Maze People theme site. Now install now. Okay. Now activate the theme. Now you get the option to select for which purpose you want to use Bahon theme. There are two options for taxi and for bus. Right now I'm installing for bus. So by built-in, you get some plugins which are required for your Bahon theme for the specific purpose. So for bus, we get the WP Bus Ticket Leak plugin, Elementor, one-click demo import, Redux framework, and WooCommerce. So install all of them. Now you need to check out how it looks like on the demo. Well, as we can see, none of the functionalities are live, so we need to activate it. So we need to activate our WP Bus Ticket plugin. So for that, individually activate all the plugins. Well, after activating WP Bus Ticket, now we need to activate another plugin, the Elementor. Activate the Elementor plugin. Great. Now we will activate our Redux framework. Then lastly, we will activate our WooCommerce. Okay, great. Now let's check out how our demo looks like. As you can see, the front end looks exactly how we saw in our first intro. Well, you have successfully installed the Bahon theme and the functionality works like a charm. For more customization, you can apply using the Elementor. Hope you liked the video. This is how you can start your transportation journey with Bahon. I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and like our video. Thank you again.